Welcome to See Where the Money Goes, Spend Analysis with Claude Code, a beginner's hands-on guide. I am glad you are here. This course is built for procurement professionals who want to stop copying and pasting into chat windows and start building AI systems that actually understand how they work. Are you ready to master the art of procurement management? This lesson will guide you through creating a consolidated briefing document. By the end, you'll have a 2-page document ready for review. Creating a Monday briefing can take 20 minutes. Most of this time is spent on mechanical reconciliation. Copying supplier names and figures manually is time-consuming. Think of a news editor assembling a front page. They select, order, and shape stories into one coherent document. 7 standards guide the briefing process. They ensure clarity and consistency. Save the briefing with the current date in the file name. Name all 6 categories, even if quiet. Each section must have a supplier, a dollar figure, and a date. Launch Claude to set the output location. Create the folder if it doesn't exist for saving files. Save the briefing with today's date in the file name. Confirm the standards by reading CLAUDE.md. Ensure each standard is listed separately for clarity. Identify the top 3 actions needing attention. Rank them by deadline, dollar impact, and risk. Each action must include category, supplier, amount, deadline, and recommendation. Limit to 3 actions. 2. This ensures a focused meeting agenda. Write the briefing using a 4-part structure. Include header, top 3 actions, category sections, and closing line. Each section must meet the minimum content rule. Ensure currency and dates follow the standard. Close with review and edit before sending. Verify content completeness of the briefing. Check each category section for supplier, dollar figure, and date. List any section missing these elements. Specific failures can be fixed with targeted edits. Completeness ensures the briefing is ready for review. Ensure clarity and consistency in document formatting review. Look for EM dashes, date formats, and currency errors. Ensure no recommendation list exceeds 3 items. Clean results mean the briefing is ready for final review. Formatting ensures clarity and consistency. Thank you. You've mastered creating a consolidated briefing document. The process ensures clarity, consistency, and efficiency. Your category management system is now operational.